nagustuhan ng COA ang kanilang mandato or eventually, sorry for the term, ilalaglag din nila kayo eventually?
Diba? Ay, review nyo yung review nyo yung hearing. Yung hearing kanina. Ay, nung last hearing. Nagtinanong si COA. Oo, COA ako. Ay, ano ba? Apelido na, I don't remember. Diba? Gusto mo rin magtrabaho? Diba? Gusto mo rin magtrabaho? Yes! I need to work on the notice of suspension. I have a video of Cordova talking shit about me and Yusek Lopez.
So COA and House of Representatives are working together.
Yes. Actually, sila lang ang working together and lahat ng taong bayan are just parang playthings to the rich. They don't care. They don't care about you. Wala.
Alas na ako, happened to the office ko. Ano nangyari? Nag-push sa HOR or kanino pa niya?
Well, I really do not know right now what will happen to her. We just trust that the doctors know what they are doing, and then we entrust to them her healthcare plan. So, kung ano yung gusto ng doctor, kung ano yung gusto ng nanay, yun yung susundin namin.
Also, your health status.
As I said kanina, hindi mo siya makausapin. But she answered some questions of the doctor. Pero hindi lahat din. And then, pag kami yung kumakausap sa kanya, hindi siya nagsasalita. And really, I'm worried. Kasi kanina din, inanon niya yung ballpen ba? Ginaganyan niya yung ballpen. Sinabihan namin siya. Sinabi niya sa amin na ayoko na ito. Make this stop. I will stop this. Ganyan na mga